Audio illusions. How the sense of hearing actually works. Our sense of hearing is incredibly complex, capable of processing a wide range of sounds and helping us navigate the world. But did you know that your ears and brain can sometimes deceive you? In this article, we'll explore the fascinating world of audio illusions and uncover how our sense of hearing actually works. 1. What are audio illusions? Audio illusions are sounds that trick our brain into hearing something different from what is actually being played. Just as optical illusions can deceive our eyes, audio illusions play with the way our brain interprets sound waves. These illusions reveal the intricate processes behind hearing and how our brain tries to make sense of the auditory information it receives. 2. The basics of hearing. Before diving into audio illusions, it's important to understand how hearing works. Sound waves travel through the air and enter our ears, where they are funneled through the ear canal to the eardrum. The vibrations of the eardrum are transmitted through the tiny bones in the middle ear to the cochlea in the inner ear, where they are converted into electrical signals. These signals are then sent to the brain, which interprets them as sound. 3. The Shepard Tone illusion. One of the most famous audio illusions is the Shepard tone, a sound that seems to endlessly ascend in pitch without ever actually getting higher. This illusion is created by layering multiple tones an octave apart, with the highest tone fading out as the lowest tone fades in. The brain interprets this seamless transition as a never-ending rise in pitch, even though the sound is looping. 4. The McGurk Effect. The McGurk Effect is an audiovisual illusion that demonstrates how our sense of hearing is influenced by what we see. When a sound is paired with a conflicting visual cue, like seeing someone's lips move in a way that doesn't match the sound, our brain can be tricked into hearing something different. This illusion highlights the strong connection between hearing and sight in how we perceive speech. 5. Binaural beats. Binaural beats are another intriguing audio illusion. When two slightly different frequencies are played separately into each ear, the brain perceives a third tone that isn't actually there. This phenomenon occurs because the brain tries to reconcile the two frequencies, creating a pulsing sound that can affect brainwave activity. Binaural beats have been studied for their potential effects on relaxation, focus, and sleep. 6. The phantom words illusion. In the phantom words illusion, repeating syllables or words played at the same time can create the perception of completely different words or phrases. The brain tries to find meaning in the jumble of sounds, often hearing words that aren't actually being spoken. This illusion shows how our brain is constantly trying to make sense of auditory input, even when it's ambiguous or unclear. 7. The tritone paradox. The tritone paradox is an audio illusion where a pair of tones separated by a tritone, an interval of 3 whole tones, can be heard as either ascending or descending in pitch, depending on the listener. This paradox reveals that our perception of pitch is not only influenced by the sound itself, but also by our cultural and linguistic background, as different people may perceive the same tones in opposite ways. 8. How these illusions inform hearing research. Audio illusions aren't just fun tricks. They provide valuable insights into how our auditory system works. By studying these illusions, researchers can better understand how the brain processes sound, how hearing can be influenced by other senses, and how individual differences in perception occur. This knowledge can lead to improvements in hearing aids, audio technology, and even treatments for auditory processing disorders. Conclusion. Audio illusions offer a glimpse into the complex and sometimes deceptive nature of our sense of hearing. These illusions reveal that what we hear is not always a straightforward representation of reality, but rather a product of how our brain interprets sound waves. Understanding these phenomena not only deepens our appreciation for the sense of hearing, but also sheds light on the intricate ways in which our brain makes sense of the world. This video will captivate your audience by demonstrating the strange and surprising ways in which our ears and brain can be tricked, offering a deeper understanding of the science behind hearing.